Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, normal, local, and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is when you're relocating your belongings over a distance of 100 miles or 1,000 miles from your current location. We are well equipped to handle a long distance move. Our movers are very cautious when handling your items. They also load them inside the trunk carefully. Our trucks, like our other equipment, are of the highest standards. They are adequate for long distance moves and are well balanced and are very spacious. We have licenses from state and federal bodies in charge of long distance moves. Our insurance plans are also satisfactory and cover the risk liabilities. When we handle your long distance moves, your belongings get to you promptly without any form of damage. Local moves are also requiring adequate preparation. Moving your belongings within local distances is generally less expensive than long distance, and our local moving services cost around $30 and $40 per hour, which is the cheapest. We are also available to respond to any questions or inquiries from our clients. We carry our customers throughout the entire process of moving. We come highly recommended by locals and normal because we deliver only the best services at budget-friendly rates. In addition to local and long distance moving, our normal moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.